Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up parental controls on YouTube Kids to create a safe viewing environment for your children, follow these step-by-step instructions to customize content settings and restrictions. Step 1. Download and install the YouTube Kids app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store on your child's device if you haven't already done so. Step 2. Open the YouTube Kids app and tap Get Started. Select I'm a Parent to access the setup process that includes parental control options. Step 3. Sign in with your Google account. This links the YouTube Kids experience to your account and allows you to manage settings across multiple devices. Step 4. Choose whether to create a supervised account or use YouTube Kids settings only. A supervised account offers more comprehensive parental controls across all Google services. Step 5. Create a profile for your child by entering their name and age. YouTube Kids uses this information to show age-appropriate content recommendations. Step 6. Select a content level for your child, preschool for 4 and under, younger for ages 5 to 8, or older for ages 9 to 12. Each level filters content appropriately. Step 7. Set a passcode to lock parental settings. This prevents your child from changing content filters, viewing search history, or accessing restricted features. Step 8. Customize additional settings such as search functionality, sound effects, and timer limits. You can turn off search to allow only curated content or set daily time limits for usage. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.